Online whiteboards have become a great collaboration solution, but fall short when it comes to managing complex Agile projects. Enter Hoylu's Adaptive Workspaces, a new way for teams to plan, build, and track their projects. Hoylu's easy-to-use project modules fit the way your team works. Whether it's PI planning, Scrum, Lean, or Kanban, Hoylu has you covered. Our intuitive interface promotes adoption because it was designed with the processes and workflows you're used to. Our adaptive workspaces build trust, increase engagement, and spur collaboration among team members, project managers, and key stakeholders. You'll align on your business goals and objectives. You'll get things done more effectively, release more features in less time, and stay on budget. All in real time. Imagine entering tasks and milestones simultaneously. Spot dependencies immediately. Easily share and embed batches of files. And Hoylu has all the right integrations. Import Jira and Agility tickets and watch the bidirectional sync push updates back and forth. We also integrate with WebEx and Teams. Gone are the days of the big room experience paving the way for digital Agile planning. Connect everyone in real time, regardless of location, with Hoylu's Adaptive Workspaces. Manage your Agile projects with us. Hoylu. Complex projects simplified.